We're so excited to have you here. It's wonderful to have press and our content creators here actually in person. It's so wonderful to see everyone. Thank you so much for coming. It's my pleasure to introduce Danny Kahn, our Vice President and General Manager of the Studio Tour.
Thank you for joining us and welcome to Warner Brothers Studios. My name is Danny Kahn and I'm the Vice President and General Manager of Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood. It's a pleasure to have you with us today as we celebrate the restart of the Studio Tour and the launch of our Welcome Center. Each tour is unique as production activity evolves daily, so you never know who or what you might see on the Warner Brothers Studio Tour. We truly have a treat for Friends fans. You can now enjoy lunch at the Central Perk Cafe and eat in one of our themed dining spaces based on your favorite Friends characters. Grab a seat at Monica's kitchen or sit at the foosball table at Joey and Chandler's apartment. There's also a chance to pick up exclusive Friends merchandise only available at our Friends boutique there. Last but certainly not least is a visit to the only Warner Brothers studio store. It's the only one of its kind. This is your chance to take home studio exclusive merchandise that you can only find here at our worldwide headquarters in Burbank. The products are really top quality and we also offer personalization so you can find the perfect gift for any Warner Brothers fan here at the studio.
And I think we're in a really good position with our new studio tour features here to be able to provide a really excellent day out. I'm in awe, to be honest. I haven't been here for over a year. I've come back in. This new tour centre is absolutely amazing. It will provide a great welcome to all of our guests. And the exhibition behind me, the Action and Magic Made Here, featuring DC and Harry Potter and the Wizarding World, is such a great addition. This tour is so unique, isn't it? You know, you can go onto the Warner Brothers lot, which is fabulous, see the history of the company, the making of all our iconic movies and television production. And now with these new features at tour, we really do know that we're bringing the entertainment closer.
So this is part of the studio tour. So the only way to access the Friends Boutique and the Central Perk Cafe is to actually buy a studio tour ticket. And you also got to see our new updated post-production experience with our ADR and Foley stage, which was just off to the left when you entered. So stage 48 script to screen is the midway part of the tour. So once you've gone through the storyteller showcase, you're going to board the cart. You came over here, we'll have a much more extended tour, about an hour and 15 minutes. And then you'll come here where we put it all together, literally from script to screen, seeing the writer's room all the way through to the edit bay, and then you get a chance to dine at Central Perk Cafe and sit amongst all of these great recreated sets and shop in the Friends Boutique. And then from here you're going to go back and see the grand finale, Action Magic Made Here, where we have the DC Universe and the Wizarding World of Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts.
lot, which is fabulous. You see the history of the company, the making of all our iconic movies and television production. And now with these new features at all, we really do know that we're bringing the entertainment closer.